What if I told you that after 1,181 days of waiting, Ethereum holders have finally been vindicated in the most spectacular way possible? In today's Crypto Pulse, I'm breaking down Ethereum's historic ATH breakout that just liquidated $258 million in shorts, why Bitcoin whales are dumping over $830 million to buy ETH, and what this means for your portfolio as the institutional awakening transforms crypto forever. Hey, crypto family, Alex here from Moonward Capital with your 6-minute Crypto Pulse update. If you want to stay ahead of the crowd with actionable intelligence that actually makes you money, hit that subscribe button right now. Today, we're witnessing history as Ethereum finally breaks its all-time high after nearly 4 years of consolidation. But this isn't just another price pump. It's the institutional awakening that could transform your entire portfolio strategy. Let's dive in. After 1,681 days of resistance, Ethereum has finally shattered its November 2021 all-time high, surging past $4,878 in what can only be described as a spectacular breakout. This wasn't just any breakout. It triggered a massive $258 million short squeeze in just 4 hours, absolutely obliterating bears who bet against the world computer. Jerome Powell's dovish Jackson Hole speech was the catalyst that ignited this powder keg, with markets now pricing in a 90% probability of September rate cuts. But here's what mainstream media isn't telling you. This isn't just a technical breakout. It's the beginning of a historic rotation from Bitcoin to Ethereum that could reshape crypto's entire landscape. Bitcoin OG whales, I'm talking about investors who've held for 7+ years, are dumping over $830 million of BTC positions to establish massive ETH exposure. This isn't speculation, it's strategic reallocation based on deep conviction in utility over narrative. One 7-year dormant whale sold 300 BTC worth $348 million to buy 50,522 ETH spot plus an additional 135,000 ETH in leveraged long positions. Meanwhile, ETF flows tell the same story, with ETH ETFs recording $290 million in net inflows after days of outflows, while Bitcoin ETFs saw $23 million in outflows. This flow reversal signals institutional recognition that ETH's utility-driven value proposition offers superior risk-adjusted returns versus Bitcoin's store value narrative. Let's quickly run through the top assets by market cap. Bitcoin is at $115,745, up 2.42%. Ethereum at $4,712, up a massive 9.90%. XRP at $301, up 5.42%. Solana at $199.61, up 9.13%. And BNB at $80.8405, up 4.05%. Looking at sector performance, we're seeing L1 blockchains up 21.62% with ETH leading the charge, while CEX tokens are up 5.28%, DeFi protocols up 4.03%, and Oracle's up a massive 25.63%. Bitcoin dominance has fallen to 57.1%, dropping 2.3%, while Ethereum dominance has increased to 14.1% as the overall market cap sits at $4.01 trillion. Beyond price action, we're seeing DeFi TVL hit 40-month highs, surpassing $150 billion for the first time since April 2021. AAVE has reached $38.5 billion in TVL, while Lido maintains $37.7 billion. This isn't just speculative capital, it's productive economic activity generating real yields and validating Ethereum's infrastructure thesis. This is crucial to understand. We're not just seeing price appreciation, we're witnessing the rebirth of an entire economic ecosystem built on productive assets. Let me be very clear about what's happening here. Every single person who has ever bought ETH and held it today is now in profit. After 1,181 days of doubt, FUD, and Ethereum as dead narratives, the world computer just proved its critics wrong. So here's the critical question you need to ask yourself. Are you positioned for the infrastructure that's rebuilding finance, or still chasing yesterday's digital gold narrative? This isn't about ETH versus BTC tribalism. This is about recognizing the fundamental shift happening as institutions recognize that utility infrastructure offers superior risk-adjusted returns versus pure store of value narratives. As we wrap up today's Crypto Pulse, here's what you need to do. Monitor how institutional capital continues rotating from Bitcoin to Ethereum as utility trumps narrative. Track DeFi TVL growth as real economic activity validates higher valuations. Position your portfolio for the next wave of institutional adoption. The flippening isn't just about market cap. It's about recognizing which blockchain is actually building the future. I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and this has been your 6-Minute Crypto Pulse. If you found this analysis valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for updates every 12 hours. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on Ethereum's historic breakout. Until next time, position accordingly and stay ahead of the crowd.